Ever wondered who are the real-life superheroes protecting our planet? It's not just activists or policymakers, there's a whole group of experts using science to heal the Earth. But what exactly do they do? And how can you become one? Today, let's dive into 10 types of environmental scientists who are shaping our future, and you'll be amazed by how different each role is. So, let's start. Number 1 is environmental engineers. Environmental engineers combine science and engineering to solve environmental problems. They design systems for water treatment, waste disposal, and air pollution control. With the growing focus on renewable energy, today engineers are working on innovations like carbon capture technologies and eco-friendly infrastructure. In fact, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, demand for environmental engineers is projected to grow by 4% by 2029. To enter this field, you typically need a degree in environmental or civil engineering, and many professionals pursue a master's for advanced positions. Number 2 is environmental health specialists. Environmental health specialists are concerned with how environmental factors affect human health. Today, as pollution levels rise globally, these professionals are crucial for monitoring air quality, preventing toxic exposure, and ensuring clean water supplies. They conduct inspections, investigate outbreaks of diseases caused by environmental factors. Most hold degrees in public health or environmental science. With urbanization increasing, environmental health specialists are becoming more important in ensuring cities remain livable. Imagine having the power to analyze air or water samples and decide whether they're safe for people to live and work nearby. Curious yet? Let's keep going. Number 3 is environmental consultants. Environmental consultants advise businesses and governments on how to comply with environmental laws and reduce their ecological footprint. They perform environmental impact assessments, help design sustainability plans, and assist in pollution control measures. Today, environmental consultants are in high demand as industries work to meet stricter environmental regulations. A degree in environmental science, along with expertise in business or law, is often required. Number 4 is environmental lawyers. Environmental lawyers play a pivotal role as environmental litigation becomes more common. These attorneys work on cases that involve pollution, land use, and natural resource management. They represent clients in court, influence policy, and fight for stronger environmental regulations. With the rise of climate change lawsuits, environmental law is one of the fastest growing legal fields. To become an environmental lawyer, you need a law degree, often with additional studies in environmental policy or science. Their efforts are critical in holding corporations accountable and shaping climate policies. Number 5 is environmental economists. Environmental economists focus on the relationship between the economy and the environment. They evaluate the economic impacts of environmental policies, such as carbon pricing or clean energy incentives. Today, their role is essential as more governments and businesses look for sustainable ways to balance economic growth with environmental preservation. Most environmental economists have degrees in economics, with specialization in environmental policy. Their analyses help guide decisions on everything from renewable energy investments to conservation projects. Number 6 is environmental microbiologists. Environmental microbiologists study tiny organisms like bacteria and fungi that affect ecosystems. Their research is key to understanding issues like soil health, water quality, and pollution remediation. Today, one emerging area for these scientists is bioremediation, where microbes are used to clean up contaminated environments, such as oil spills. A degree in microbiology or environmental science is essential. They may work in labs, universities, or in the field, conducting research that can lead to new environmental solutions. Number 7 is climate change policy analysts. Climate change policy analysts help shape the policies that address global warming and its effects. Today, these professionals are central to government and corporate strategies on carbon reduction, climate resilience, and sustainable development. They research and analyze data on climate policies, advocate for stronger regulations, and assess the environmental impact of policy decisions. A degree in environmental science, public policy, or political science is typically required. With climate change at the top of global agendas, their role is more critical than ever. Number 8 is air pollution analysts. Air pollution analysts focus on studying and reducing harmful pollutants in the atmosphere. They use advanced monitoring equipment and data analysis techniques to measure air quality and identify pollution sources. As air pollution becomes a growing health crisis in many parts of the world, these analysts are crucial in developing solutions to improve air quality and protect public health. Most analysts have degrees in environmental science, engineering, or chemistry, and their work informs both urban planning and health policies. Number 9 is hydrologists. Hydrologists study the movement, distribution, and quality of water in the environment. Their work is becoming more essential due to increasing water scarcity and climate change-related issues like flooding and drought. They collect data on rainfall, snowpack, river flows, and groundwater to understand water availability and predict future trends. A bachelor's degree in environmental science, geology, or hydrology is necessary, and a master's is often preferred for more advanced roles. Number 10 is marine biologists. Marine biologists specialize in studying ocean ecosystems and the creatures that inhabit them. Today, their work is critical due to threats like overfishing, ocean acidification, and plastic pollution. Marine biologists work in various areas, from researching the impact of climate change on coral reefs to studying the behavior of marine species. They may work for governments, NGOs, or research institutions and often spend time both in the field and the lab. A degree in marine biology, oceanography, or zoology is essential. As you can see, there are so many paths in environmental science that are vital to protecting our planet. Whether you are passionate about marine life, air quality, or policy, there's a career for you to make a real impact. So, which type of environmental scientist do you think the world needs most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how we can save our planet, one action at a time.